AI can certainly help organizations run smoother, stay safer, and grow stronger, but how the hell do you get there? To make it simple, we've broken it down into 6 stages, and the truth is most organizations fall somewhere between stage 1 and stage 3. Let's walk through them. All right, what is stage 1, what we call AI unaware, look like? No intended AI usage at all. Leaders are not familiar with it other than the buzzword, and they're not using it in any meaningful way, and expectations have certainly not been set within the organization. They've got little use of the public pool and little use of what we call the private pool. What about stage 2, AI experimenting? In this stage, people are curious, and there's really kind of uneven expectations, if any expectations set at all. Inconsistent use of the tools, no unified approach, but at least people are curious and experimenting and starting to get some benefits here and there. Folks that are stuck in that stage 2 of experimenting are really wondering, when does momentum start? When do we feel like we're making progress? Stage 3 is really where you get to AI-assisted productivity. You start to feel that lift coming from the technology. People are thinking better, doing more with AI, confidence is growing, and that fear, that skepticism, even that paralysis that might be out there is really starting to fade. So as you start to see those tangible improvements, again, better thinking and doing, fear drops, and you start to get those productivity gains, you're in stage 3. Stage 4, really think about in terms of department level. That's when you're hitting stage 4. When you're looking at the department, you understand what the key outcomes are, the key processes. You're injecting AI to make those processes easier, flow better. You're sharing tools amongst the team. It's really starting to become part of the department and how it works. That's when you're at stage 4. Many entrepreneurs ask me about, how do we get AI across our whole organization? What we call stage 5. Full cross-functional integration. AI is connecting, multiple departments. You've got really good data structure, data governance. Systems are talking to one another. It's basically become, part of how the business operates, part of its operating system. Reality in the United States today is there is few, if any, organizations that are stage 5. So I'm always telling, these ambitious leaders, you've got to go one stage at a time before you jump all the way to stage 5. Stage 6, that AI enterprise, reality here too. There's no organizations, unless they're just being built from the ground up around AI as their core with, high-level AI expertise, where AI is just woven into every competitive advantage, that they've got. Very small number of organizations on the planet are there. But if you were, you'd have full strategic AI adoption. It'd be truly part of your business model, truly part of your competitive advantage, and you're just creating long-term leverage and optimization. What is First Call's approach to helping companies with their AI strategy and integration? Step 1 is just assessing where you're at with AI maturity. Most people think they know what stage they're at, but once we assess it, we discover really where the starting point is, and that changes everything. Step 2 is just really understanding, the tools that you have, and not just the AI tools, but all the key lines of business application, general data, where is it at? And step 3 is just building the right strategy and then the leadership skills. If we don't get the leaders capable and confident using AI and having it benefit them, it's not going to flow through the organization. It's just like anything else. Change is driven by leaders, and leaders have got to have the capabilities and confidence in AI if they're going to make it happen. How do we get started? If you're unsure where your organization is at on your AI journey, start off with an assessment. First Call's developed a proprietary tool. It takes about 30 minutes for us to run through with your leadership, and will help you understand where you are, how to run smoother, do it safely, and grow stronger using AI. So if you want that clarity, you want that confidence, and that roadmap that you can actually see and begin to work towards and execute against, start with the assessment. It'll help you figure out what matters most first.